Welcome back. The last couple of videos, we've been talking about how important the consultant report is and the cost analysis that they create for you. Today, we're going to talk about underbidding and why that can be a financial disaster for you. So if you have a consultant report that says the project should cost $150,000, and all of a sudden your contractor comes in and says, I can do it for $100,000, we're going to be very concerned as a lender and a consultant. Because if that bid is not correct and all of a sudden you blow through your contingency reserve as they're doing the project, and guess what? There's still more work to do. You're financially responsible for any shortage. Once you've used the renovation money, the contingency money, then it's your money. And obviously you don't want that. And we as a lender don't want that. So we're going to be very cautious when we get a bid that seems too good to be true, right? Because it probably is. So be careful when you're picking your contractor and with these cost analysis. If you have any questions on that and how it can affect you or how to read these reports, just feel free to contact me and join my YouTube channel for more tips on renovation.